Hi ladies, if you are interested in this free workshop held once a month at CAP Wellness Center, it's always the last Tuesday of the month from 6 to 7 p.m. in Encinitas. I'm going to be talking about some common questions that I get asked as a pelvic floor physical therapist and how to really optimize your recovery after pregnancy. So whether you're pregnant right now and you want to know what to expect and how you can heal your body the best way after you have your baby, or you are in that postpartum stage, maybe you've only a first few weeks, months, or maybe it's been years since you had a child, but you're still having questions about your body when it comes to your core, your pelvic floor health, and you'll get those questions answered. So come join me once a month, and that last Tuesday of the month from 6 to 7 p.m. Go ahead and click on that link and I will send you some free information. So I look forward to meeting you.